Every day's a winding back road, running round in circles with no place to call home. Sip another drink so you can hold on, hold tight, hoping that you'll find a little piece of daylight. Go light your spark, set fire to the dark. You'll see that all the shadows lie behind you. Go make your mark, it ends where you start. The night is new. There's a light in every hollow where the sun comes shining through. It'll find you down the river when you're left black and blue. There's a light in every hollow, like a world you never knew. There's a place where days are golden, right here waiting for you. There's a light, there's a light, there's a light in every hollow. There's a light, there's a light, there's a light in every hollow. There's a light, there's a light, there's a light in every hollow. There's a light, there's a light, there's a light in every hollow. Can you find the beauty in the broken pieces? Stitch them back together and that's where you'll see it. Blowing up in smoke, it's like you're barely breathing. Every breath you take, just know your heart's still beating.